It's probably not a matter of if, but rather how often you leave shared components out of your model to save time. What if you could create a complete model in almost the same amount of time as when you skipped creating those shared parts? Using AI's DesignMAX toolset in this example, Max cut his mouse clicks by 80% and got the job completed in 1/10 the time, while producing a more accurate and complete model that is consistent with the true bill of materials of his design.
Hey Max, how's that new project coming along?
That's going well. I just finished putting a bunch of screws and other fasteners into my assembly.
Not me, man. Putting in fasteners is too much of a hassle.
Oh, it's a piece of cake, really. Quick and easy.
How?
It's this new feature of this AI DesignMAX tool I've been using. Come check it out. The really powerful sharing capability is one of my favorites. It does a lot more than the standard share function, including easily copying features. Plus, it does a whole bunch more, like easy renaming of multiple objects, finding midpoints without measuring or creating work planes, and even super easy part replacement.
The sharing stuff sounds really cool. Man, that would be nice to use for all of the fasteners I have in my project.
Definitely. It's been a great time saver when I have multiple high-volume parts in my design, but it's great even for onesie-twosie kinds of things. Plus, having a more complete model has given me better accuracy in my bills of materials process.
How long does it take to learn to use it?
That's one of the things I love most about it. The tools are so easy to use, I was able to get a benefit from them the first time I used them.
Really? The first time?
Yeah, even the really powerful features are very intuitive to use. It'd be great if all software were this easy to use. Check it out. I just finished this up, but say, for example, I needed to put another of these screws right between these two. I just start up AI Max Share. Then, I select the parts I want to share. Notice how they can automatically hide after they're selected? I can also pick a feature if I want to. For this 2-point move, I select the source point. Now, for the destination point, I'll do a bisect between the center of these two screw heads. Presto, that's it. I can temporarily hide the screw so you can see the feature is duplicated as well. And now, I'll just delete that temporary draw list and we're back where we were.
Wow, that's really easy.
Yeah, and adding additional locations is even easier. No different modes or anything. Just click. What if I want to add another screw hole between the last two? I just click again. In this case, I'll do another bisect between the original screw head and the one I just created. It's that easy. In addition to making the model look better, this is where it's also given me better accuracy in my bill of materials process. Now I don't have to go back later to figure out the right sizes and lengths of screws and dowels. I mean, when I've done it once, why do it again?
Yeah, that sounds great. Most of the time I don't even bother with fasteners because of the hassle. The trouble is, I had to take a lot of flack from the assemblers for all the red lines. Not to mention the screw head that ended up interfering with one of the nearby parts. Man, that felt dumb.
I used to feel the same way, but with AI DesignMAX, I can easily put in those parts and find any interferences right away. You should really check it out for yourself. It's that easy.